Hey y'all, so a few days ago I decided to pierce this, but yeah, I didn't record an intro, so here's the intro. Don't judge me, it's whatever. Alright. Hey, nose piercing time. Okay, so right now I'm just like wiping everything off with alcohol, including my nose and hands, and oh, okay, so now I'm like lining up the angle at which I want the needle to go through my nose. And I'm using this like clear little cap to put inside my nostril to catch the needle once it comes through like the side of my nose, just so that I don't accidentally poke myself more times than necessary. Um, but literally, as you can see, I'm not a professional. Like, look, do not trust anything I'm saying. So, but yeah, still just lining that up to catch the needle. And then, okay, so I'm sorry you have to look at my scalp. This makes me so mad because I set this up so that it would be easier for you guys to see, and then I was just out of frame the whole time. But now the needle's actually going through my nose, and you can see it, yeah, right there on my forehead. I'm like, ow. But you'll see in a second. I'm sorry. So there's the needle. Just putting the jewelry in. Just kidding. No, it really doesn't hurt that bad, but now I'm just wiping off all the blood because nose piercings like to bleed a lot. Pierced my nose like 3 times now, and it's always been the same amount of blood, pretty bloody, but not too painful. So now we're gonna turn up because we did it. Hey. Um, and then now I'm just gonna give you a bunch of like close-up shots after I kiss the camera. So here's this cringe. Oh my god, cringe. Thanks for watching. Bye.